I think the biggest problem really, I suppose, is nuisance alarms. We want to know that if we do have a breach, that we can verify it very, very quickly. The Navtech system is integrated with our CCTV system in partnership, and it gives us the ability to resolve alarms remotely very, very quickly and very efficiently. So when we get an alarm, the nearest camera will respond to that alarm and will highlight the cause of that alarm. It means that you're not spending an awful lot of time rushing around dealing with false alarms or dealing with them blindly. The difference with the radar product, again, as I said, is more than just perimeter protection. Perimeter protection, you can have someone like, there are a number of products out there that monitor the perimeter that can in effect have an alarm, but you really don't know whether your intruders, or if they are indeed intruders, are on the site or not. The Navtech product gives us the ability to not only verify that they're there, but the ability to watch what they're doing and then to intercept them then and deal with them. There are many perimeter protection products or perimeter monitoring products, but Navtech gives you the additional ability to see what's going on post a breach or to resolve false alarms that you wouldn't have the ability to do with just perimeter protection only. We had the product demonstrated and we were sufficiently impressed with it. As I say, it's all weathers, whether it's fog, whether it's heavy rain or even in snow. The product is not affected by the elements of the weather. And that is a significant advantage, especially if you're dealing with other technologies such as night vision or infrared or those kind of technologies that wouldn't be as effective or would be affected by atmospherics. We use the detection capability in Navtech beyond the perimeter, just to give us as much advance warning that if we had a potential breach, our patrol can go and have a look and see who or indeed what is approaching the perimeter fence. So the Navtech system gives us the ability to, I suppose, put in a response, if you like, an early warning system that gives us the ability to see if we have a potential issue. To have the means of being able to verify that your perimeter has been breached and then how to deal with it as efficiently and as effectively as possible. The Navtech product offers that because it is not only detection, but it's also tracking. And it gives us the ability to monitor what exactly is going on within the perimeter and for us to effectively respond and deal with such an occurrence. Navtech system and the AdvanceGuard has the potential to become a dashboard for the security operation of an airport and operation of an airport in respects to its capability, not only to monitor the perimeter and also the tracking should there be a security breach, but also with friend or foe, that you can monitor the manoeuvring area of an airport and identify very quickly what's moving around the airport and see it quite visibly. With the ADSB, then you can see the movement of aircraft, you can see them moving around or even approaching the airfield. And an additional layer then, which is drone detection and tracking, which is a feature that we will trial here in the not too distant future. So with all those layers, and then even with that, the ability that the system has for example, tracking flocks of birds and bird activity, it gives potential to a wide range of hazards that can affect the operation of an airport.